it's time to replace your windows, just call North Georgia Replacement Windows, yeah!
Some of the things that you would notice on a typical size window is you would notice that you have tilt latch here. You typically have 2 locks and another tilt latch. And a lot of times you'll have limit latches such as this. So it gets real busy, doesn't really look like a wood window. So this does not complement the architecture of your home like an infinity fiberglass window. Not to mention it's plastic, and the view is really decreased, and the light coming into your home is decreased. I can stick my hands inside these tracks. The problem with not having these balance systems covered up is a lot of times you'll get what they call a chimney effect, where air can actually come in and chimney up inside your window. Whereas, as I showed earlier, our balance systems are completely covered to help protect, again, against the air and the dust and even the noise infiltration levels. But one of the things that I want to point out is if you were to take this window and compare it to, this is the exterior, if you compare it to the exterior of our window, the Infinity Fiberglass window, you'll see they've got all the glazing strips here, just like you do with the PVC window that we saw earlier here. So this is the dual durometer glazing strip. You have none of those snapped in parts and pieces on the fiberglass window. So again, that looks more like a wood window. The other thing that really jumps out at you is all the weather stripping. If you look here, here, I mean, just all over this window, there's a lot of fuzz on it. We kind of joke around sometimes, you know, should we operate the window or you just want to pet it, you know? You don't see any of that fuzzy weather stripping on our window. It's a very clean design. It's got the memory foam compression bulb that's actually really hidden.
North Georgia Replacement Windows, yeah!